Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both side and we have like this. Next we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of s, we have number 2 du. Next, tan u, that is about sin u over cos u. So the integration of this one, we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of cos u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about the square root of s. Now we can do similar for the second one. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of s we change by number 2 du. And this one that is about cos u over sin u. So we have the final answer in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.